Let's get the Weather Authority forecast now with Josh Kozlowski.
So, Michael, I got to admit, I haven't gotten my pumpkins yet.
Well, clock's ticking, buddy.
Yeah.
Clock is ticking.
And, Halloween's coming up, November's coming up, and I think, you could actually not cut open the pumpkins and kind of keep them as decorations, of course, for all during the harvest season, harvest months here. But if you haven't had a chance to go out like myself and you're going to take the kids, the grandkids out somewhere this weekend, well, just know it is not going to be freezing cold except for the very early morning hours. By 9 a.m. Saturday, temperatures will be in the mid-50s, close to lunchtime, mid and maybe some upper 60s, and close to 70 Saturday afternoon. So while you don't necessarily need t-shirt and shorts, you probably don't need the heavy winter coat, gloves, and hat necessarily. Just light fall attire should be fine. And now for Sunday, I think temperature will be a couple degrees warmer than Saturday. 57 at 9 a.m. Sunday, 67 near lunchtime, and I think a high close to 73 in the afternoon. That's close to what you keep your house or apartment at. So it's going to be feeling really, really nice and not much wind. Overnight tonight, like last night, there will be some frost and some dew likely, especially areas east and southeast that have already seen their initial frost of the season. But places like Onondaga, Oswego, Cayuga, Wayne, Ontario, Yates, Seneca counties, overnight through tomorrow morning, you too could see some frost and at least a heavy dew if you don't get cold enough for the frost to form. Temperatures right now, it's 58 at the airport in Syracuse, 56 for Rome. Low mid-50s pretty much everywhere else, and nothing report tonight on Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. We have this area high pressure, got the cold weather for tonight, next couple nights, but we got dry conditions, mild days, and eventually it will be warming up, especially this weekend and staying that way next week. Here's your forecast. I'm going 36 tonight in Syracuse, just like we hit earlier this morning and late last night under a clear moonlit and starlit sky. Lots of dew. Freezing temperatures, literally freezing in some areas. Otherwise, there could be a little patchy frost if you don't see the dew. High temperature 66 for tomorrow. Blue skies, sunny and nice. A few high clouds will be warmer than today by almost 5, 6, 7 degrees. And let's take you through this good-looking 7-day forecast. After tomorrow, kind of a coolish in the shade and nice in the sun feel. Saturday, look at that, we're going to be close to 70 after a morning low in the 30s. So the air is super, mega, ultra dry when we have these huge 30-degree swings in temperatures from the low to the afternoon. Sunday, 73, and each of these mornings between tomorrow morning and Saturday morning and Sunday morning, there could be some valley fog and what's called sublimation. It could go from basically the air cooling and skipping dew and frost, going right to that rhyming, the ice stuff you might see in your car a little bit. Then for Monday, Tuesday, look at that, 72, 75. What month is it? What season is it? Lows in the 40s versus the 30s, so not as cold, but still chill in the air. Remember, it is still fall. And then look at this. Next Wednesday is the first chance that we'll see some rain try to approach our area due to a cold front. And that cold front will kick up the wind as well. A southwest breeze on Wednesday, and eventually shifting to a northwest breeze into Thursday. And look at that, we go from 71 to 55. Look at the lower left-hand part of your screen. The average high for this time of year is 60 degrees. So we're going to be above average for 6 out of 7 days on this graphic. But only one day, next Thursday, will be below average. Quite a week of weather.
Thank you, Josh.